My name is Lily Carlson, and I have chosen what angle of attack creates the greatest amount of lift for my science fair project. One interesting fact that led me to my hypothesis was that a paper airplane flies determining on the wind, because when you fly, you depend on the wind to get off the ground. That fact had led me to my hypothesis, which was that an angle of 30 degrees would create the greatest amount of lift for a paper airplane. This experiment had involved building a wind tunnel, paper airplane, and using Legos to build the ramps out of. I built 5 ramps in all. The angles of the ramps were 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 degrees. I set a fan facing the front of the platforms to act as an energy source for lift. When the fan was turned on, the planes would get pushed back. I repeated this experiment 3 times for each ramp, totaling 15 experiments. I based my results off of how much the airplane got pushed back. The experiment data did not support my hypothesis. The results showed that an angle of 50 degrees would create the greatest amount of lift. I believe I got the results that I got because the higher the ramp goes, the more the airplane wants to get lift off the ground, which when the airplane is pushed back, the more it's going to get off the ground. The information gained from this project could be used by airplane companies like Boeing and NASA to improve their airplane designs. Not saying they're bad or anything. The information gained from this project could also be used by me and my dad when we go flying together. I'd like to thank my mom and dad for helping me so much. I'd like to thank my science teacher for helping me out so much. And I'd like to thank you all for having the time to watch this.